children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about circles. So let's start with that. We know that a circle is a simple closed curve. We may also say that the figure enclosed by a curved line is called a circle. Each point of the simple closed curve means circle is equidistant from a fixed point inside it. Coins, bottoms of cylinders, bottom of cones, ends of a pencil, rim of a glass or a cup, wheels of a bicycle or a bus or a train, a bangle, disc of the full moon, etc. are circular in shape. Okay, center of a circle. Okay, let's read about that. The fixed point 0 inside the circle on the right is its center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is the same. Okay, just remember that. Now just read it about circumferences of a circle. The boundary or the length of the closed curve of the circle is called its circumferences. In the figure, the closed curve A, B, C, D is the circumferences. Circumference of a circle होता है हमारा 2 into pi into radius. So where pi की value है हमारी 22/7. Just remember that term beta. Okay. Now just read it about arc of a circle. अब arc of a circle क्या होता है? Any part of the circumference of the circle is called an arc. In the figure, the open curved AB, BC or CA are the arc of the circle. These are written AB, BC or CA in like that way beta. Okay. Now interior and exterior of a circle. A circle has an interior as well as an exterior as shown in the figure on the right. Points O, A, B, C, D lie in the interior of the circle. Points M and P, Q lie in the exterior of the circle. The center of the circle lies in the interior of the circle. Okay, like that way. Now radius of a circle. The distance from the center of the circumference of the circle is called its radius. The plural form of the radius is radii. In the adjoining figure, OP is the radius of the circle like this way. ये हमारा क्या है? Radius है. Okay? I hope you understood. Now move on next. Chord of a circle. अब chord क्या होती है किसी circle की? A straight line which joins any two points on the circumferences of the circle is called its chord. In the adjoining figure, PQ, MN, AB are chords of the circle like that way. Now diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle क्या होता है? Straight line which passes through the center of the circle and both of whose endpoints and or terminate on the circumferences is called the diameter of that circle. In brief, a diameter is a chord which passes through the center of the circle. Okay beta, in the figure XY, RS, PT are diameter of the circle. Note, a diameter of a circle is the greatest chord of the circle. Just remember that. Now remember, a diameter is 2 radii is equal to 2 into radius. So radius हमारा क्या होता है? Diameter divided by 2. क्योंकि जो हमारा सर्कल होता है जो उसकी एक लॉन्गेस्ट जो हमारी जो एक लाइन होती है वो डायमीटर होता है, उसका जस्ट हाफ हमारा क्या होता है? रेडियस होता है. ओके, नाउ जस्ट लर्न अबाउट सेमी सर्कल. हाफ ऑफ अ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड अ सेमी सर्कल. इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर ACB is a semicircle like that way. Now concentric circles. So the circles which have the same center are called concentric circles. In the adjoining figure, OP is the radius of the smaller circle and OQ is the radius of bigger circle. Whereas O is the center of both the circles. the rim of a wheel, the circular edge of a tire, the finger ring are examples of concentric circle. Okay beta, I hope you understood well. So now move on to draw a circle of given radius. A circle can be drawn using a coin, a bangle or a paper clip. A circle with definite radius can be drawn using a geometrical instrument called compass. It has two legs. One leg has pointed end of the stall and the other leg is used to fix a pencil in it as shown in figure given alongside. Let's see how we can draw a circle of given radius, say 4 centimeter means. For this, we should follow the following steps. So, step number 1, fixed up the pencils in the other leg in such a way that the pointed end and pencil tips are at the same level, like that way beta. Okay, दोनों को हमने same level पे करना है. Step number 2, take a ruler, open the compass and measure the radius as 4 centimeter. Now step number 3, mark any point O on the paper and place the pointed end on it. Okay. Now step number 4, hold the head of the compass between the thumb and the forefingers such that the pencil's end touches the paper. Step number 5, now turn it round so that the pencil's end traces a circle. So these are the method. This is how we just do that. Okay. I hope you understood. Now move on, solved examples. Example number 1, find the diameter of a circle whose radius is 6 centimeter. Solution, radius of the given circle is 6 centimeter. So diameter कितना हो जाएगा 2 into radius of the circle, that means 2 into 6 is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, example number 2, find the radius of a circle whose diameter is 20. Diameter 20 दे रखा है, अब आपको उसका radius निकालना है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, simply 2 से divide. So 2 से divide करोगे आपका आ जाएगा 10 centimeter. Okay, now 3, find the circumference of a circle whose radius 7 centimeter and take pi की value 3.14. So radius of the circle है हमारा 7 centimeter. Circumference of the circle का formula क्या होता है, 2 pi मतलब और bracket में radius. So 2 into pi की value है 3.14. Radius हमारा given है 7. So multiply all three numbers और answer is 43.96 centimeter. Okay. Now example number 4 beta. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Take pi की value 22 by 7. Solution. Circumference of the circle हमें given है 22 centimeter. Okay. एक circle का पूरा circumference is given here. Radius क्या है हमारा, radius है circumference divided by 2 pi. So 22 हमारा जो circumference है उसमें 2 into 22 by 7 centimeter. Divide करने पे हम क्या करेंगे, now reciprocal और answer is 3.5 centimeter. So hence the radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, I hope you understood well. So now move on next. Exercise 18. Filling the blanks. First one is a diameter is the dash chord of the circle. एक हमारा circle है, उसका जो diameter होता है वो क्या होता है, हमारा longest chord होता है. So write it longest. L-O-N-G-E-S-T, longest. Okay. So these are the other questions. You have to just complete it your own beta. Okay. So with this we ended up the chapter. I hope you understood well. So just do practice and do rest of these exercises by your own.